What the heck was that? Well, stay tuned because today we're doing a Sandia Mountain Natural History Center quick trip micro style. A lot of times when we take our quick trips or any trip into the outdoors, we're looking at the macro world or the big world. We're looking at plants, animals, the grand vistas. But if we just take our time and look a little closer, there's a whole nother world out there that often gets missed. And we can see that world using a microscope or even just one of these. So we're going to do a fun little activity now where I'm going to show you a bunch of things in microscopic mode. You try and figure out what they are. Let's go. Well, I hope you were able to guess at least a couple of them, and I hope this inspires you next time you're out on one of your adventures to take a little closer look and think of the tiny things in the ecosystem.